Hi everyone, welcome to Medical World. Today I am going to discuss about this topic MODY, maturity onset diabetes of the young, which is an endocrinology topic. So what is the problem in these patients? So there will be a genetic defect in the function of pancreatic beta cells. So there is some defect in pancreatic beta cell function due to genetic defects. So we also call this as monogenic defects. So there will be impaired glucose-induced secretion of insulin, which results in hyperglycemia. Because of the impaired insulin secretion, it will result in hyperglycemia. So some of the features in this MODY are strong family history of diabetes, and it is autosomal dominant inheritance. And usually the age of onset will be less than 25 years. And the patients will be non-obese, and the acanthosis nigricans is rare in these patients. The risk of ketoacidosis also will be rare. So that they will respond very well to oral hypoglycemic agents, and insulin requirement is also very rare in these patients. So usually we should do genetic mutation studies to confirm the diagnosis in these patients. So there are some types of MODY, which is a mature onset of diabetes in the young. So there are 6 types: MODY 1, MODY 2, MODY 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here MODY 1 is caused by the defect in the gene hepatocyte nuclear transcription factor 4 alpha. MODY 3 is due to HNF1 alpha, and MODY 5 is HNF1 beta. Here the important one is MODY 2, which is caused by a glucokinase gene defect. Remaining all MODY types are caused by nuclear transcription factor defects except this MODY 2, and MODY 4 is caused by PDX1, and MODY 6 is caused by NeuroD1 gene defects. MODY 3 is the most common type of all MODYs. 2/3 of all MODYs are MODY 3 type only. So MODY 4, which is caused by a defect in PDX1 gene, they will present at a later age. At around 35 years of age they will present. So if a patient with diabetes, normal C-peptide levels, that is suggesting endogenous insulin production, is there in the patient, and the patient is negative for autoantibodies, he should be advised for genetic screening to determine under which type he comes under. So coming to type 4 of MODY, if there is homozygous inactivating mutations, pancreatic agencies will be there in these patients, and if there is heterozygous inactivating mutations, patient will be present with this MODY. So this is something about maturity onset diabetes of the young. Thank you for watching.